Blank develops on crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Answer is option C, red soil. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution provides for how many types of freedoms? Answer is option D, 6. So friends, under Article 19, all citizens will have the right to freedom of speech and expression, to assemble peaceably and without arms, to form associations or unions, to move freely throughout the territory of India, to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. The sound in audible range is known as. Answer is option D, sonic sound. Which among the following vitamin helps in controlling infection in the human body? Answer is option A, vitamin C. Friends, vitamin C helps in controlling infection in the human body. It is also known as ascorbic acid. It is a vitamin found in fruits like oranges, grapes, lemons, etc. It acts as an antioxidant. A deficiency of vitamin C can cause a disease known as scurvy. Wangala festival is celebrated in which state of India? Answer is option D, Meghalaya. Friends, Wangala festival is the most popular festival among the Garos tribe of Meghalaya, India. Wangala festival is a harvest festival held in honor of Saljong, the sun god of fertility. It is generally celebrated for 2 days. The ceremony performed on the first day is known as Ragula and the second day is known as Kakkat. By which one of the following acts was the Governor General of Bengal designated as the Governor General of India? Answer is option B, the Charter Act of 1833. Friends, the Charter Act of 1833 is also called the St. Helena Act of 1833. The act received the royal assent on 28 August 1833. The Charter Act of 1833 is considered as the final step towards centralization in British India. Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. What is a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards known as? Answer is option B, convex mirror. Spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is bent inward is called? Answer is option A, concave mirror. The innermost layer of the earth is? Answer is option C, core. Friends, the innermost layer of the earth is known as the core. It is divided into the inner core and the outer core. It comprises a high concentration of nickel and iron. Which of the following is a mountain between India and Nepal? Answer is option D, Kanchenjunga. Friends, Kanchenjunga is the world's third highest mountain that connects the borders of India and Nepal. Until 1852, Kanchenjunga was assumed to be the highest mountain in the world. Kanchenjunga was first climbed on 25 May 1955 by Joe Brown and George Band. The river which marks the international boundary between India and Nepal is? Answer is option B, Mahakali. Friends, the Sarda river or Mahakali river is also called Kali Ganga in Uttarakhand. where the river demarcates Nepal's western border with India. This boundary was established by the 1816 Sugauli Treaty. The ash obtained by burning magnesium ribbon is magnesium oxide, which when dissolved in water and tested is found to possess. Answer is option C, basic nature. Pitt's India Act was passed in blank. Answer is option B, 1784. Friends, let's know about Pitt's India Act of 1784. It was named after the British Prime Minister William Pitt the Younger. The Pitt's India Act 1784, also called the East India Company Act 1784. Pitt's India Act 1784 was passed to rectify the defects of the Regulating Act of 1773. Who constitutes the State Finance Commission? Answer is option C, Governor of the state. Friends, Article 243I of the Indian Constitution provides that the Governor of a state shall constitute a finance commission. In accordance with Article 243I, the Governor of a state shall after every 5 years constitute a state finance commission to review the financial position of panchayats. Who has won the title of 71st Miss World 2024? Answer is option C, Kristina Pliskova. Friends, the 71st edition of Miss World pageant has been held in India at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai, India after a long gap of 28 years. This last happened in 1996 in Bengaluru. And friends, you know Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. The title of 70th Miss World 2021 was owned by Karolina Białowska, who is from Poland, and she has given to the crown to Kristina Pliskova, who won the 71st Miss World 2024. When was Miss World contest started? Answer is option D, 1951. Friends, Miss World was established on 29 July 1951 and was held in the United Kingdom. The first Miss World was Kiki Håkansson from Sweden, 1951. The first black African Miss World was Agwani Darego from Nigeria, 2001. India's first Miss World was Rita Faria in 1966. In which year was the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan launched? Answer is option B, 2001. Friends, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was pioneered by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the former Prime Minister of India. It aimed to provide elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14. The motto of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was education for all. Harshvardhan declared war against which ruler of the Gauda kingdom? Answer is option C, Shashank. The statue of Ramanujacharya, Statue of Equality, is located in which of the following state? Answer is option C, Telangana. Friends, the statue of Ramanujacharya, Statue of Equality, is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Ramanujacharya was born in 1017 at Sri Perumbudur in Tamil Nadu. An isogamous type of sexual reproduction is seen in? Answer is option A, Eudorina. So friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.